And here it is with the panniers. So the full Givi set Outback Trekker series. Other mods I made on my bike. I have Givi skid plate and protection bars. It's actually Givi screen, and just replaced my smaller Southwest Motec bag with a larger one. But here are the bags. Get one more shot from behind, and hopefully this is going to help anybody that is undecided on whether or not to get the bags. And a little shot of my Traxton too, which by the way is for sale. If anybody's interested. Take care. Safe riding.